Come on. Come on. Come on, go. Go. Yo.
Get up. Get up. Get up. Come on, get up. Yeah.
I just woke up from a nap. This is Maeve. She's my kitty. She's supposed to be here. Who the f*** are you? Who are you? What are you doing in my house?
Он сейчас свалит тебе что-нибудь, мама. Получишь?
你是不是在昏头？你是不是在昏头？开了啊。
And then he's so chill too. I can just do like the most outright weird things. Boom. There he is.
Oh. Oh no. What, Sunday? No, I don't want to play with you right now. No, because I don't want to play with you. No, I said I don't want to play with you right now.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's married.
Oh.
What's up?
Oh, I've been waiting for this. Oh boy, I've been waiting for this. What's up?
Ya, vamos. Vamos.
Everyone is out of the kennel today. Did y'all need some more space? Hey,
我有了，我去了，我去了。
Oh, more. Okay. Mimi, where are we going? We're gonna go get cat treat. Got her new harness, but she's too fat. Lily, what are you doing?
Mr. Russ, you must remember.
Chilling?
What are you doing here? Where is Carl?
Okay.
എന്തിനടി കലത്തിനകത്ത് കൈയിട്ടേക്കുന്ന അയ്യോ ഡേ
啥意思？
小猫。
Do you mind? Come on, get out of there. Thank you.
Can you hold on?
You don't hear it?
Yeah, I hear it.
Szprotka to jest moje śniadanie. Kto tu jest złodziejką? Nie ma, wzięłam. Nic nie mogę zostawić na blacie. Nic. That can go viral, Moose.
上班去了。
Me like that. What's your issue? Who are you talking to? Who is you talking to?
Would you rather have this or a dog?
Ow, ow.
Dave. Oh my god! Oh my god! He did it!
Aja! Oh my god! Ow!
Do it again.
Princess, what's up? No. Tell me more. She did not. I can't believe that.
Ears are up, they're relaxed. If they narrow their eyes and lower their ears, they're becoming aggressive. Eyes open but ears back means they're
No. Ah!
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Cats just be like, meow. What's that? I gotta fix the carpet. What? Oh, what is that? Why aren't you moving? I'm literally stepping on you. The fuck's wrong with you?